How to add subdomain in Namecheap. To add subdomain in Namecheap, follow these steps. Go to any browser and search for namecheap.com. Visit the Namecheap website. Click here to sign in. Use your username and password to sign in. After sign in, click on Account from the upper right corner. Then click on Dashboard. Click on Hosting List from the left-hand sidebar. Then click the arrow from the right side and select Manage. Copy your IP address from here. Click on Domain List from the left-hand sidebar. Then click Manage. Navigate to Advanced DNS. Click on Add New Record. Then select a record. Enter your subdomain name here. Then paste your IP address here. Click here to save your subdomain setting. Thanks for watching.